So time wa educate. Wa ni educate wa meme you. Wa no go be J school. Wa no go be Jack Boma. Me no ma ye primary school. I am more wisdom than you. When I ye wisdom than her. Me wisdom than you. Uwa J school wa mo ko J school kakwa. We dem knowledge. We dem manner. When over UK, you can't even upgrade in your education. What is the meaning of education? To a old man like this, without of yere magu egwa, they have a sorry ne boissima ni buni magba orivia, ni agba orivia rove. Go I want to watch your any treaty. Or my no just could no mere but to never respect or any treaty. Or my no just could ne go address me or any treat. They no be ka go be there uwe nana. Uze rovia magu go see a na ze popo ma wise obovekun e u veri yana all those baby star wa no wa yin ya potu no gbevi abeni when I miss blood you know oh when I'm full of with that Benin people oh wo eni ya wa zero mana no life no be like that. Pachachi moi non j'ai pas besoin. No, it's not good. They will not be ready to nana. Ni make by no go because ya no do ayo no me tell you no ma dejo. Go me you no me go make by mawa. Akobe nya ma be riabe. O wa mo gugbo hian e. Where do work out go akobe nya. Even na ya tie bono ma area ya wu. Even na ya hate so ma area ya wu. Ma be go boy na wada we ko na wada we trust me. O me ti de Bible we o me kan gbo ewe. Osaloba no rekete ni ka oni gbina na edo iye boye ku every time why now and you call yourself a graduate. What kind of local community graduate you will be? You are a local community graduate, that doesn't have sense. You talk like arrogant agbeu no mekpo like school no ma ya ehun na office. How dare you look community a little boy no more to a 60 years. How dare you little rat that depend on government that cannot work. You read Facebook on 24 hours. You cannot maintain yourself. When I am on 60 years, not me what will be a cobegia. Which can't thing be this? You want to get the video we record yana wa balawa. He damn you know we break man I'm telling done. Ave so yari ni kpia. Oko pedo akoko wi me ekoko bi enoro wa even no money here. Odo a pay get school fees go re no wi me. E pay no bi enoro wa even no money here. All that na. They no ni na be tia boneba. Ogun agbe wa kwa wi akoko. Abo wa do replace e. Esu kwa wo do pe ni ma. Wo do si won re ni ma. Kwama. Ben when I miss blood, you know, where it bini, oh no, why we bini people they are not that take time. You know, good. Every time, you turn everything upside down. Oh, what you want, master? What you want women no ma? Where I mean, even so on where they won't never manner. I didn't wear no mama because you have your bogwa wa rewe. I don't my boss when I told her to wear jackba. Where UK my door carry boy. You know good. You talk too much. They told you that be offended, but never touch me. Oh, I'm over here and my bogbe. A single mother, we not just single mother. And on about time and me when you get the single mother making I day. A single mother with a big figure ne. Oh, what's single mother and why? Oh, when we are my go be right here. All of us know he right. He right. Then we give him me funny. Who's the guys couldn't everywhere? We are paying God and any years ago, mother. Yeah, kana. Una ye matano, una ye ge corner. Take time, eh? Look, community graduate. Take time. I'm going to go my way. My baby, Akobegia is the best. In one another woman, Gelesi Wedzo. Akobegia, if you go follow several tornado. Akobegia, if you go, Akobegia, follow say. Wa go mana azo we give evo. We go celebrate. Why we? Uzati ebono we are be wherever. Wa we to allow again. Must you use saga to take care of your children? Must you use saga money to pay your bill? And you will say go school. Where you say school where you winner? Eh, why you large have a government? Can't you rule at those states? A school no job no yati saga where yati. Then I tell bonem magician where yati a school. Take time. I walk by no. Agbera saga na level saga where you tell me what can saga. After all the bag no ya school at the end of the day TikTok do ya mume. We 12 and 70 years. How dare you look community graduates? Era Jacobenia be 30 minutes on ya 30 minutes, not even one day. No na me respect in here. Why when you be a to respect you? Do gwa ulawa. Why we can when the government can win na you want to be able to up to no ye bejo wo. Nobody at those state no make me want to. Nobody on this set no make me want to. Why are you doing this? Wa mo dogi yeke wa we have e da mo dogi yeke. We wa be so no ria do. Uria e wa na jank ba na vi we work ba you we potopotori. Denik be ya ga ele ti eri ya be ka go be na be ogwu e ba be ga ko be gan bai mo da mo no jera bi je ya ma eni na nu gwe do na no saloba ni ju e to se not to se we se why ti ya we beria why be je do wi awe wa gbe no ma gbo e wa tebo ni no ma tebo nu e I guju ogbon bodo aso. My mother is super. My mother is super. What's the energy you see one? Take time, look community graduate. Omo da, omo no mozange boy. Abo we ju e go that way. Udawana joy ju e bleaching ni ju e bleach na we ju e bleach. Uye me nwa. Uye wa mani mete ne level me. Wa ata be government agu we gun. Stay away from me wedo. Devi na unari oboyin vore. Don't know missy blood in no mind. Avec a dans avec on wig, avec a zin.
Comment cuire son poulet rôti sans brûler ses économies? En installant
too much of everything is bad now.
Solution solaire.
Missy blood. On not disgrace job at this so. Ukbonu mu ju ade UK gbe ma ko wi ere nu ya ban e wa ba this way. Ekwe mu even a 20 game mau unu gwa ji we bia work bad fact what do disgrace you in the UK where mami egbe juk manger where mami egbe juk manger d'accord where mami egbe juk manger ijo ye bok pare you kana yo bok pak bo le yan avec Facebook ana yo bok pa ya sinwane. If no be so no dajo ma be je. Una imi nu ya gun. O ma na poru no so gbo uri e gap ne. E ge me ye se no ya on great. Aroga pikin.
There for silent. Also, I can my reset.
Devin a man atana no bad dinner.
So I should tell you I love you. Single mother, lady friend, in love with
which is true. Single mother can never a good single mother, unless a drunkard single mother. Okay, I love a kiasa a real single mother can never love a man more than his children. Akobige is very right. He can never love a man more than his children. What are you not saying? We're not the pete. So that the single mother even Yakobega backward the way Ijiku, Akobega got tap on the single mother. What turning me upside down? Only way I wear the school when I had to here. Then I had change my tago here.
school fees now 50,000, 45,000. Both book and books all now 70,000. Your lady friend children, their school fees now 200. Both books and all 350. They pay me this man. They die for silent. Also, I can my who is setting. They try shame they swallow points.
Yo,
I love you. See, come on, lady friend, they love you. Where you do not see the school in yellow.
E mata no matoge.
Where's the where
Yo, beg me not
as I don't talk so now. Just stupid people
na real stupid people na it against her.
Due to this very video, when the be say Epa Akobe, Albert Obaze disagree, also blast Epa Akobe for this very video. Single mother wahala na cause this quarrel with the grand. Epa Akobe advised me, but Albert disagree. Make I leave una make una listen to what he cause this wahala between Epa Akobe and Albert Obaze.
What you want do me? What you want do me? No, not come for you. What you want do me? Me the fear about. I be squawk by my boy issue. I be me government talk about we make about who's words wa. Memo wa bati. They no woman. You eti do mumia. Ire Paris one of do mume. Bana. E o wa ya mo ebori na e threatening gbelu wa back mo. Abogo wo ko na you back parwa make. If you talk to me, I talk to me. Ekpo ma yena graduate, ekpo ma me na be graduate. Moka graduate here. I'm a graduate, original graduate. A graduate me ya we mi agmo bebo. Me jogi me ya insult ma every time decent. I'm not a class, eh? I'm not a mate for university level. I graduate more than he. We may graduate in a year secondary school. Are you mad? Who are you talking to? I'm not a local woman. I'm a graduate, original graduate. I'm not be local community graduate. Ik bele boni ya yek bo mama. Abe man kan me. Abe me video me. Abe gwe ya bat. Me mo ma no mama wa bat in government mu like London. Let's kodo. Wa ya me jo. Ye me ga mata. When ya ro ya ko be ga me ro wi yen be yana. Abe gwe ma be no ya ro ya ko be gan. So when I take what of Yakobega, me wa me mata iwa gonu me. I have to say the truth. Akobega is right for the video. Why are you not telling me? My boy, ekpo manyejo ekpo mamebejo. Okay? He graduate. Get doggy my van but no get boni agbele ne. Ile bonika. If I no na gele ekpo mamejo. You know when I graduate, she want to talk to my woman. You a ministry with.
And now you have to. And now you love it in way.
What's the one
you key and the work babu? You always say the truth, and you have said it. God bless you.
Akobe.
Guy.
Akobe, I have warned you before.
I have warned you before.
To stop talking anyhow.
Why you are talking anyhow, na? Huh? School without brain. Why you are talking anyhow, na? With this beautiful advice in Orient Ikbia. Well, no abandon him, no magba oremo. No kokiviere. How will you wear? Where abandon if you go where your friend the single mother? Uko ke monorowa. Go itana na abati vota. Hey, guy, echo. No, na manya hue. Hey, guy, echo. Hey, guy, echo. Osaloba career de not no career warning no. Hey, guy, echo. Na pokpo magu no pokpo magi wu. Hey, guy, echo. School without brain. Ube reason. Ube mo emabo kan wewe. La video na ne ma na unati alright aboma right. Wasala jage tu gwale $2. Hello.
Hello, mommy. You're your side.
Your side. Where we talk be obi shemi.
We talk be, mommy.
Cause
mommy, open phone na speaker.
Oro.
Okay. Obego na mi nutana me mi di video ne papa ko be yan wo we na me mi on. e mata ota because on yemi oro me gbe oya me tie na ije me my 8 or be nerame era me na abandon ije me with 8 children ona ya talk if single mother.
Okay, what that we are
ma di marry ba ma no just school with ma but if single mother he have just university ladia.
Okay.
Why so no or he who if single mother you na mo fe mortuary you na team ma we eru wa wo be ma mi yero baba e ma no see school na.
Okay.
Oh mom mi yero baba e wa me message le pa ko be ya give obi na ina avia because of wrong again.
Oh bege very beautiful message.
Very beautiful message. Wait, as in there for everything mini. Osa bo ade ba we o dem ata no je mo mi osa bo ade ba o ye tin ba we tin ise e mo ta ri gbo e so we ni egbe we ye mo ta no hin awon me o to no gbe ri
ise
osa ti we mo mi
ko je we se o bega na ga ma dogun a no dogun na e no sin of the UK I got met someone like UK ata mata o ma be we mi no rongo we ta go rongo be we mi no mo be tin ai every time do wa me ko emi ya no riri wa o de ma I live a good life ni e ma me ri opojo do ma be wa no be we gun yo better ko be yan is a original person in Benin Kingdom that wa be we done a message you know why ya encourage ma eri ko be je iko so be ro yin ezige school ne mo yin ya ezige school ni bi otiyan Obiyan no guyan wa mommy buy me car I don't have money. Obiyan tien no go send the ege. Obiyan ma odio. Omo nu mu ye ko odio, omo nu ye ka we bi odio. Wa na tell me we tell ni bi e go bi we ga 80 70% o ga 30%. Your children first. Osaloba na me gugu we na. E ma no go train ni e train mo no go bi. We ba ya na we se no ma. Then we rag no training you we. And vivi where you government school you vivi where you private school. They pa ko be yan tai. O matter bonesi go mother, he talk sense wisdom. Ya get later education won. Wa je school kwa keka. Wa we face we no osa. Very ugly boy. Imala come no wa zenyama we change. Waze nyama no wa robio man wa go na mago o magi we se jomo we gbeg yo be en wa we gbe go back we gwa le kinu na we tie bo no wiere obi na dekun we ba ko na iva wo hu amete na ba gbe ameti ya ba gbe bo to ibo one day we dekun gbe be train station uketa we ijo sage gbe brother me na no re line cause meje bu mama me spelling na cause ugwa ya gbe ni je mi KAAF cafe abi weti be your name cause ga me na ye ju ni be mama me ekpo mama me ni na gwa je ma na gwa do gbe ni na exist ni na mama ma e school ugwa igwe ni ya pronounce e na you what told my brother cause me pronounce
something like craft Kevin weti Kevin oro
me ma pronounce
Kevin mommy take Kevin oro
brother Kevin are you there
Ibe ma je sati we ko je me
mommy ye ma tu o ma tu o ye o mi ri atu o we